shop nebenya fix mala mixture ato. Nesa pendudu etwa ko fix herbal wo adenta kantamanso. And our friend one wo 020-844-4442. 020-844-4442. Fix mala mixture dri. Obi a weyin san. Anorma bofraba enufu. Ana bofraba onzi mfidwe bien mfa. Fix mala mixture. Enkratuyi FDA apenodo.
I want to see your face.
Hello, people of Adwuma, watching everywhere. Beautiful girls, handsome guys. Party is here. Yes, I had the tenor party.
Yeah, the tenor party.
Golden City Park or the Carvin Boys. But live.
Me where she want. Another.
I love it.
Well, she say I be cool. Yeah, one. I time for any war. My
yeah. No. Hey, free. And today, you say, Uber sort of from Sadinapa. Golden City Park. Akim State University pair. I watch Massene. 12 February. Now, dear Dr. say, hey, free entrance. Yan Joshi. And number Busu said, Tam. And then Abenum. Ampaya, a big gas. Sadan. DJ Sebehu, no. Hey, DJ Raphael. And DJ Kwesiata. MCs for the show. Microphone God. And a hitman. And Tumuma Yanina Yashia. Na Sadan. A big crowd.
make I love you.
Classic ointment aye bio kromu hafo pa na dodo no a ehunama toso fefefe sei.
Classic ointment said you see enam no se ka se ye ka ho asoma ka de be chi ni nwie ye kan fa manfo no won mo ya so mre ko pa bie de se ekro na agu wo mo a ekọ de na pimples ase nanim ekọ.
Classic ointment
de na eyam atoto no ho ama ekọ obi na propro ha no ekọ.
Ointment near powerful pa.
Hwe ingredients ya wode ye classic ointment no ebi ni aloe vera, papaya, petroleum jelly, cassia alata. Honam na ni baabi a ekro pimples. Eyam ana propro aguo no. Enu anu se anopane nwumre bia wadware wie no. Wode classic ointment no bi ebesere mu. Na be hu se yes, ointment papa bi obabi.
Me the classic ointment esiesie me ho ama agye me se enye nanso pharmacies, chemical ne herbal shops.
Ane titru, wohene na herbal koforidua. Frisia baako and Sons Kumasi Edu. Urepash herbal Okaishi Accra. Netufo so afre 0544 791 600 and 0500 799 833.
FDA agye ejwedi nkrato yato.
Bema, now bam peble yo ne nam he ne o sha sra fo atade.
Hey, obabra me se me wo kura dwure me. Eye suku bi obi di ho adanse kire me o. Enene asesa me ba ya brobo yi. Se wa twere wasi so hwe ya twere. Na se wuntwa bomodi na kopie mu o.
Hey, na suku be nko ano no.
Eye Great Omega Academy.
Great dien.
Great Omega Academy. A na chiri kwan no wo koforudua kokurantumi. Epue mantemu he ya.
Sa epue mantem he ya. Number da ben.
Obabra me se suku yi e ba ye enyene. Se wo na ututua so nko ade a wo twere so hwe a utwa. Omoye courses ni bi ti say general art, visual art, business, home economics, general science, and afi technical. Baby a obeda so podie e mane nyi wadwendwe suku no hostel kese e won mo de amasuafo.
Unia ene fa me ko hono men.
Ewra ji pani kwa kirefo ne number na friend na ji mu nkiremu. E 0243 21 4720 ana 0543 90 9502. Great Omega Academy. Impossible is possible.
Hey, kweku, eja menu yeda dan want sakra.
Enya se okay. Enti dem titi na no kra. Eja wadu. Amuntie eye sam ampa mochi. Ana mo siesie nsano. Sam ampa mochi se odi hye bi film se yo mame, o papa, oba, bema, peni anakoda. Odi ne kodan sam ampa mochi da. Ah, untu sika ngui kra. Won be siesie nipa no akra ne kakra fefefa kona kono. Am obeyi wamu no. Oda ho ana osresa. Beji nsafo no wamu. Ani ntiatiefo se wo odi hye be film bia. Me kanfo sam ampa mochi. Am say eho and the right place also do this yanko esan say na ye nim sam say nipa de ofim no abusua an want to tom say be ye wa yi a mochiri and e do ko entenu only sam ampa mochi enfo ni ntra ba bia na obe yi this yan no sansre and nam kwan be fa so asiesie nipa dua no wani ba jikeke sam ampa mochiri e wo mo from junction wa bra wodi wani atre achim asanteman kwan no bon so sani fa so a ya twida ne fita e buo shepe e hon so kama me pa charge from keke I was 0208 360 777 and now say 0550 420 202. Sam ampa mochira na nipadua no be yi no na otisa de osate asia moja di no mafrisane me say sam ampa mochira na rest as you live.
You see, there are men who are really ready to marry. Or wasika woni bibia. Nenso akoba Jo Metra I love you can anything. Also your bar who have feye. Nenso emema nemba. Last year Odon Tabain on Ahenkan FM was really interesting. This year you're spicing it up with Odo Interbind Dating Arena under Intise wire crowd so pesa ware. Bra Ahenkan FM bepeke forms. Shayin oba ope, shayin berima ope. Na jai Adwuma na akanomaye na ye be sort it out. Yampen kwara if you say yen din kwala grow. Age rate no 25 years and above. Odo Interbind Dating Arena ye be boa na wonya that perfect man or perfect woman. Na wa shenikawa.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Adwuma.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
Yo, Charlie Radio so I tasty. Fisemitie Kwabena Kosti. I was Ahenkan FM 93.3. Okay, easy.
She works the nights by the water. She's gone astray, so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants a life for a baby. All on her own, no one will come. She's got to save him. She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna grow and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to do. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby. Don't you cry. Somebody's got you, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby. Don't you cry.
Without no fear, just see and know that you really care. Cause any obstacle come, you well prepare. And no, mama, you never check tear. Cause you upset things year after year. And you give the you love beyond compare.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Disappear in a rum bar, can't find it nowhere. Steadily your workflow, everything you know, so you're not stop. No time for you there.
Now she got a 6-year-old, trying to keep him warm, trying to keep out the cold. When he looks in her eyes, he don't know he is safe when she says, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby. Don't you cry. Somebody's got
Adwuma.
baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby. Don't you cry.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
We were bending on the edge of something beautiful, selling a dream, smoking me whiskey, persuading on a miracle, say go to the darkest of days.
Yo, Charlie Radio so I tasty. Fisemitie Kwabena Kosti. I was Ahenkan FM 93.3. Okay, easy.
Never let you go, never let me down. Don't you give up, oh na na na. I won't give up, oh na na. Let me love you, let me love you. Don't you give up, oh na na na. I won't give up, oh came to know we are good enough. Say go through the darkest of days, seven to heartbreak away. Never let you go, never, never let me down. Oh, it's been a hell of a ride. Go through the darkest of days, seven to heartbreak away. Never let you go, never let me down. Oh, it's been a hell of a ride, driving the edge of a night. Never let you go, never let me down. Don't you give up, oh na na na. I won't give up, oh na na. Let me love you, let me love you. Don't you give up, oh na na na. I won't give up, oh na na. Let me love you, let me love you.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
Different girl, I can't believe it. Do I have to tell you how I feel before you see me? Can you tell me why? Why oh, why oh, can you tell me why oh, why oh, why? Who you taking home tonight? I didn't feel you when I know the lie, but who you taking home tonight? Don't say bye. Who you taking home tonight? I didn't feel you when I know the lie. Who you taking home tonight? Where you and your mom and I so make it who jive. Baby boy, I got your back, intimacy guy. Tell me what I you promise who die. Where you and your mom and I so make it who jive. Baby boy, I got your back, intimacy guy. I hate that I love you. Oh, why? Who you taking home tonight? I didn't feel you when I know the lie, but who you taking home tonight? Go and say why. Who you taking home tonight? I didn't feel you when I know the lie. Who you taking home tonight? I go see Annie, Jessica, Annie, me. Every other night's a different girl, I can't believe it. Do I have to tell you how I feel before you see me? Can you tell me why? Why oh, can you tell me why oh, why who you taking home tonight? I didn't feel you when I know the lie, but who you taking home tonight?
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Never been someone shy until I seen your eyes. Still I had to try. Yeah. Oh yes. Let me get my words right and then approach her. Woman, I'll treat you like a man is supposed to. You'll never have
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
everyone can relate to when they find a special someone. And she's royal, yeah, so royal. And I want her in my life. I never knew anyone so one of a kind. No, the way she moves to her own beat, she has the qualities.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Queen, ooh, ooh, what a natural beauty. No need no makeup to be a cutie. She's a queen. She's a queen. And when they ask what a good woman's made of, she's not afraid and ashamed of who she is. She's
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I tasty. It's a meteor Kwabena Costi. Our Ahenkan FM 93.3. We day easy.
so one of a kind until the night that I see your rise.
Alright, so just a quick reminder, in case you just forgot, then we are in the month of love. That's right. So maybe you're just wondering, why is this guy giving us, some cool love reggae music?
Yes, I and I.
So I guess you know the reason why. Huh? Yeah. So we still, we just entered the month of love and beautiful music from Tyler Ralish. And this is a music he calls She's Royal. And most definitely, all the ladies in the town are royal. I mean, some of them do not actually need makeups, some kind of. I mean, they are just beautiful the way they are. And what else can I say? Alright, so Thalus Riley on this one. And that brings us to 26 after 10. And you tune into 93.3 of Adwuma. And of course, you're back on your radio. Beautiful Wednesday morning. And I hope you all doing good. I hope you all great. Yeah, I'm also blessed. Thank you for asking. So the second day of the month, February 2022. And of course, as I said earlier, we are in the month of love. Alright, so before you open your mouth to point out someone's faults, take a quick look at yourself and make sure you're not at fault. Because Charlie, this season, before you open your mouth to say, yo, this girl is this guy is this, make sure you are not at fault. Spread love, show love, and make someone feel love as well.
So one of a kind, no.
And just about 12 more days to hit Valentine's Day. So we are on your radio once again. That was your out to say. I don't pay every mood, but hey, let me get back to my right senses. I can be raw, don't but I remember if you can cry. What you want to say? Ahenkan 93.3 of Adwuma, your friend Jenny Mechampon Boat and Casmos from Bruce Money and our company Costi, a brand for the perfect gentleman, Majoso. You join me live on Facebook, Ahenkan 93.3 of on Facebook. SMS near 0594841044 and Yabaji and Amos today. Right, so I'll bring you motivational message. And today is a Wednesday, so I'll bring you lifestyle segments. And on lifestyle segments this morning, we're actually going to talk about some tips that it's actually going to help you to take care of yourself during Valentine's Day. So tips for having a happy and healthy Valentine's Day and also loving yourself.
Just stick with me.
Because I know there are a lot of people, you know, no one will get them chocolates, no one will get them flowers. But don't worry, I got some tips for you. You know, you can probably take care of yourself during the Valentine. So just stick and stay, go nowhere, 93.3 FM. As I said earlier, I'll bring you lifestyle segments. And today, I will be giving you some tips. Yeah, some tips. You know, you can probably take off your own self. Yeah. You don't need someone to get you chocolate on Valentine. You can get yourself one. Yeah. 30 after 10. Obi, I want to say, Mami Chiame Factory Drivers as usual. Kofi Apasco. Kofi, I want to say, Brad David, good morning. Afe Raouf, Medici, Stagger, Obama, Obatime, Super, MP3, and my man, Bright Weezy.
Someone shy until I seen your eyes. Still I had to try.
I'm a bit under the weather. It's the mobile fans are cast on the TV. I'm fans are. I didn't say that you. My ever fans are what you say. We didn't say when we are guided. The cast on the say crash to that. Oh my days. So big shouts to Akosia the Podumas, DJ Shabu, Mr. Charles, Nana to Pahi, Ben Community Fan Agege Man. I don't pay, he's looking good, as usual. No red, yellow, green, yeah. Now saying you can't Ghana flag at 70 with Jaish. It's a Gucci shoe to go and show you. Wabaso, it's also a caterpillar shoe. Some Nike Air Max Bini, some mirror shoe be, and some Gucci slipper be. With that Gucci shoe, red, black, green with Jaish. It's also a Gucci slipper. But yellow trousers are pressure. That's what they've read in the green basis. What father, one day. I gave you my what to say. We have a call. And Kalani man on name, what to say. The Namiasi 93.3 of a paper. Until the night that I see your eyes. So, Fide Gusudaha. I just say, a guy, what you say. Messi and Nayabaji, so on G with this segment, you know, and Nayane, Wamotium stores. It's a paper choti. I dear would Tombi as a water stone quadia. Store be out Timu. Say a provision, say cast per parts. Say, yeah. In fact, the out Tombia, store be out Timan, over Judian. It's the number we fought was 0554820910. 0554820910. Fatuo. Because of Frano afraid. It's the idea of Tombia, Stobia, woman, baby, I wish I don't pay a baby with the Ofra. What about the actually about Stone? Nine your mouth tones on our face. A proper tracer. Yeah, Juma. I was here about more Juma to me 2 pounds. This is the mid morning. You're at the end. So stay tuned. 93.3 of Makacho said I'm a bit under the weather this morning. So whatever comes, no fun is my wife. What do you say? I guess it's like Casa. So no pay. I suppose. Bamianga Samanka Cranka, me boy. Many shabuts now off you upon a Macasa was too. Man can't say I go be a crowd. You say, but over this. I just will steady idea. We say, no, Governor Casas. No need no make. But China, who didn't ever. Alright, so stay tuned. We're stopping on what to say. I'm not paying job. What you care for? Care for say, Nakoponya Adwuma. Oh, baby in the store now. Could be a branch for us and it's a sending for you. I'm ready. Yeah, the Coconin cuts a branch back where Bamo. Ebama soil. When you're ready, Coconin cuts a branch. You baby, I said it. Matthew School Junction. So we train K4 or Rice Baba Saloon. Our Saton Coco.
The mid morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Frescalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti. Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Frescalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
What's the main gun? I am here. From when I was given back, or the me better me was a boya. Keep hello. I want blame when you want and I'm from was a boya. Or the me better me was a boya. I'm feeling lonely. Me I'm the woman trying tonight. Maybe I'm coming my way feeling right. I'm feeling lonely. Me I'm the woman trying tonight. Baby, I'm coming my way feeling right. Me mama why you nice, mama why you nice. I'm thinking of you. Yeah, I keep thinking of you. Yeah. Although I am in number 1 million, one for me call I am say I coming back. Unkwana woman me feel is a secret. Man say one gonna be me. I am Miss Happy one for people from. One in the net and I feel most sorry. Could it be the last time you're fighting? No, where you want take excuse for that me. Long time, girl, you know I'm missing you. Me travel for Tayana Benyaji never. Right now, me pass a mess up. Or the I need to hear from you. I'm feeling lonely. Me I'm the woman trying tonight. Baby, I'm coming my way feeling right. Me mama why you nice, mama why you fine. I'm feeling lonely. Me I'm the woman trying tonight. Baby, I'm coming my way feeling right. Me mama why you nice, mama why you nice. Hello, what's the main gun? I am here. From when I was driven back, or the me better me was a boya. Hello, I want blame when you want
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
or the me better me was a boya. I'm feeling lonely. Me I'm the woman trying tonight. Baby, I'm coming my way feeling right. Me mama why you nice, mama why you fine. I'm feeling lonely.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Frescalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti. Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Frescalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
I'm travel Nasi, Jimmy Baby and how. Many metal dressy, Shampabuana, Baby and cow, Jai Super Pawaniasi, Emma Biasia, dream foul. Branda Bijama Quine, I want a saman crowd. I've been on my dream watch it. Near what Penema said, minimal crowd was a messiah, Cassam Debuguma soon, I will be a young corpe. I've been on Ponsan, Tuntumbro near who offense, 700 dear Piqua, or Betia Brent Jai soon. Pepper when you moon is so, and I be young from so crack, kind home, so what drama, one mouth door, so my common into a pie moon. Family was Sunday for so matana via Siache, the time home, or door. Midday, or Pepani up my pan did. But my wedding, you know, me no people for home, so me pofis I want and the other guy said, me hon sense them. I thought there be a baby of them. We don't be a say I'm moving to and them. It's all the buy a dinner. Exclusive to jumbase.com. Yeah, you are always on my mind. And forever in my heart. You are always on my mind, and forever in my heart. And teaching Profano, I would only be good on the diamond. Yabba Wabofra, actually didn't cheer what diner. I was in the jail. It's a son of Mumu and Crana. When you made for saying me, you don't know China. Yadia me jaw, Minja Joe, Cocosuco Jaws of Brandy, and Ram who were and become a team, Yadia me penny. I drink you to swaboko, Fabicumi Quenchi, Yabo Chena, Meshabaka, one and send me saying a Tessie, Mindy Yaw, and I mean who would name this one I made Tete. For when you two for me down, we never GP and I miss Sheshe. Oh, your Hema, Sada, what happened with the Chiavan sign? I've been a me bremo, send me a cocos of breman quine.
Exclusive to JohnBase.com.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Yeah, you are always on my mind, and forever in my heart. Me day, you are always on my mind, and forever in my heart. But I don't see where you see, my candy pepe. Dear man, when you be a prayer, we don't be as age, my cool man, you will pray. Guys, I won't see any see my pop. I wish one day you will become my wife for life. I wish one day you will become my wife.
Exclusive to JohnBase.com.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Wishing you come in with a rain. Oh, I'm wishing you come in with a rain. Oh, can't we get so my bed? Tao tao ni ma wa aloma ngote. Awabe, wine kuran I'm in no better koto.
Radio Papa, thank you.
I want you to sleep and count every breath you take, baby.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Who makes my hair spin around when you look at me and blow me kisses in the air. So baby, coming home to you. It's been a long time since I went away, and it's driving me insane. So baby, coming home to you, baby. It's been a long time since I went away.
Alright, so music of Aquaboa Miss V, Can't Wait, here on 93.3 FM. Makacho say, you're at the month of love. So it's about time, you know, we talk love, we eat love, we walk love. In fact, we play love. Everything we do must be love. So I've been trying very hard to ignore saying love and start saying love. But my try, baby, I think I can say love. Love. Baby. L-O-V. Love. L-O-V. Love. Well. My try fit me collaborate me to me can love. Me try my number phone. I love you. I love you. Why am I going I love you? Simple. I love you. Now you call me baby. What is I love you? I love. It's kind of some way. Charlie, I love you. What's it? And I'm gonna say. Charlie, how do you say it? What can I say? I love you. I love you. I love you. Babe, come closer. Hello, Vinka. As I'm in for some. I've been saying love for the past 20-something years now. And you have to remember someone I love you. Alright, so my bro motivational message 93.3 of no wasugusa with na haya Ahenkan Adwuma so wasugusa with from me Kwabena Costi. In case you just tuned in and your first day with your station where Ahenkan 93.3 of mid morning and wasugusa with you from my brand for the perfect gentleman. My producers Yakusia Adwuma, DJ Shawu, Mr. Charles, Nana Atopahe, Magege Man and Akobike. So we are here from now to 12 p.m. and I will promise you a good show here on this particular frequency. So my catch was my bro motivational message and then see your Wednesday, so I'll bring you lifestyle segment. And on our lifestyle segment this morning I'll be telling you about some tips for having a good or a happy and healthy Valentine's Day, and also some tips for loving yourself on this particular or this same Valentine's Day. So you do not need to worry if no one gets you a chocolate, flowers, new phones or whatever on Valentine. I'll give you some tips you can probably go by and make yourself happy as well. I mean, Valentine's is all about love. You can show yourself love as well. So 93.3 FM, stay tuned. I'll bring you lifestyle segment in a jiffy. But in the meantime, my motivational message and okay, my Sean crying. Let's give you our daily dose of motivations. Hashtag my daily dose of them. So we are here. And as usual, this is what we do each and every morning. We make sure we motivate you, and then we give you some sort of encouragement. It's your daily dose of motivations. No, it's always sponsored by Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery, as you always know, or as you know already, Color Studio. Watch him on the Color Studio or watch him on the opposite Knob Pharmacy, and I say Liberty Transport and I'll be and the self printing tadi embroidery way. I don't say embroidery once. No, I call Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. About your school crest here, be kept embroidery, be over Facebook. I won't say me chebi. A channel chef won't see I some 3 stripes you on him. And then your friend embroidery. But Facebook is number share. So then your friend embroidery. It is a Color Studios or be my neat pan where the come upon the amount. It is called Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. After for all your wedding photography, birthday, studio, picture framing, passport picture. No called Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Now on my show, no man open or come upon the amount. No one so there. The phone pan yasam kito. 0245276638. 0245276638. Alright, you know, I remember our motivational message. So if you want to know how much you'll be missed when you are gone, put your finger in a bucket of water and then remove it. The hole that's left will be how much you are missed. If you want to know how much you'll be missed when you are gone, put your finger in a bucket of water and then remove it. The whole that left will be how much you will be missed. Etiquette the mother say. Shall we say who send any paba feel? And I would person who send any paba kaiwa. For sachet, you sew a good bucket mo, and I sew a good cap, you sew a good boom. You see, once I would on sachet a year you sew mo. My main example, no simple man. So you sew a good bucket, you never found sachet. Or don't sachet me both to chromeboa, we use a free mato chronicle. A chair say, Sawa around at Nipa Kyle, but Sawa copy and one. You see, my main secret video, no one on this earth is irreplaceable. No one on this earth is irreplaceable. No one. Not even the hard working person in your office. No. Everyone. Obi say office say ebi a wo dia wo ye adwuma ma ne bro so. O dia office say wo free my beto si. Ma me kan say cho. Obi eni wo wa asase so a ade otumi ye na obi ntumi nye. So obi betimi aye and as obi ntumi nya mane nduru se na wo ye ne kra obetumi aye ama na sene a wotimi ye. So when you go, they will replace you with someone. And the young feel there be nemo me be kayo. See asem ni pa. Young feel say ka we wa ha. Nemo me be kayo say oh we wa ha no you say. And the man fan show trim that say enya dia nipa be feel wana nipa be kasi na mafia so mesi na there be. And this open say oh ye bibi manika. You know, sometimes I ain't go for a say, and I mean, me call, I'm over for me, call, Munyo, be papa, be to send me, oh boy. So, per se, who send ya, who free my before? They say, for one session zoom, then you win Sana Shadia. Moment I'll be you in Sana, I took Rune bones soon. I feel it, see one time. It's a no typical example, which I say, when you are around, and your back kai wa feel time be a KBA na bibisa. But what you who free cock and one no. If you both in casem, but you feel baby. Some catch yourself fashion trips and no one is irreplaceable. No one. David. You see the thought that you are professionally replaceable is liberating. Hey, I'm not sometimes go for I mean it's totally liberating. If you do you see, you may not leave a hole, but you can leave a mark on a person, a team, or a culture that lives on after you are gone. But when case my boat to Krobia to Honoma South on be to me feel it, you are lying. Oh boy. It's your found age maybe out here and found it baby out here and found it for a woman. Don't ever think that when you are gone, they can't replace you. When you are gone, no, it doesn't happen that way. Or quite when you'll be a shawana. Now, ye know, be crowbait my idea and cry when you'll be to me and a band the away. So, for you won't be missed. You won't be missed at all. But you'll be remembered. The body and cousin, the Kyle, I am fuel. So, leave a mark. I am bold in Casem, leave a good mark. I am bold in Fan Casem. Uja good mark and so Eddie when you Uja bad marker. Or Fatuado. So this morning, my daily dose of motivation is 8 years. And person me train you and say, leave a good mark wherever you find yourself. At the office, at school, at church, in your various homes, wherever you find yourself to be, leave a good mark. Leave a good mark. Now, bad legacy there. And you will forever regret for not leaving a good mark at where you left before. 53 after 10. I'm a friend here. Not main country will say So honam do send me honam do me me menya pon ya me kwa maje me so honam do I say yare bi pese obon kae I say obeso slow down no masa na me pa cho kwa maje health clinic anope ya it is say typhoid ulcer attack na pese tete abeso no akwa maje health clinic gonorrhea to us typhoid kidney problem nigina fakọ amaje health clinic owache moda Red Cross Junction EPO kwan so ho na baby na obehu amaje health clinic Red Cross Junction opposite gas filling station na obehu no or the ultramodern scan machine so abana so ye ho abeboa wona fei wotimi scanning oni pedue no mu kidney ni mu liver ni mu be che o mrebo na wo hu yare no baby ete na wo hu adeport ye tete na wama wodru a ebetu ase the quantum detector so dia ba eti bramaje health clinic sisi a wo se so unim odofo bi ana obi wan kasa na sabio wo yare na waka de muntumi emba wo maso ya o ye to safra won omudom no mania begu kabu omda ba wo fie ho abehwe kama pa me pa trofre no 0244 877840 and 0205045665 amaje health clinic ana wire resefie fix man capsules so mema dra just mema ebo se mema tutunum de ekira fix man capsules yenye wudeni uye boy fix man yenye wudeni uye boy just nyoma boys no amutu de ekira ni the fix man capsules the mema de pa cho so ma unsa kebi na fe timi mbo na wish pain no asie timi to general body pain asie timi to na bema so ye kan mema wetimi no se si busa me so me bema what asie na je se wetimi agba adwuma na ma oba ne ni aso when you chop money cry so de anya hwe obeba na ma ye aduane si o kire se wetimi ye adwuma no ye ama ohankasa ya bon samra ne ade a timi bisro ma unsanka fix man capsules bema bia wutie bibia no ma unsanka fix man capsules ye won syrup nso ho enti bia won pese wo be mene ne ade a na je se wakọ ne syrup migina ya mene ya but obi wo no mo pepoti obi o pensio it fix mala mixture and she ma wo malaria cold catarrh fever dizziness general body pain as well Mr. Maunsa and can fix mala mixture malaria do tatashpa Ghana chromo biaja to malaria nya chope also cover a fix mala mixture na obobianza beboa wo fix arabella ointment we ma wo ma wo honam anim propro na se honam anim rashes there be any tree by force skin rashes foot rots near the hit rashes near Meba Joe Woodrow, a fix Arabella ointment. Now, a baby now feel with that stress on Namney. Now, toss on me no may come upon. I available. I mean, all pharmacy. Mepacho, Kobe, Hobbies here now, Faye, Copebito, drugstore, be a Helba shop, be a Okanshi, a Kens Walk Helba, Angel Helba, Nana Watch Helba, Kodibia Enterprise, Obenyebi Ato, a shaman, a wisdom enterprise, Kaswa. Tribe of Judah, Chimoda Kruma, drugstore, be a Helba shop, be a pharmacy, be a Obenyebiato. For bulk purchase, now I contact a fix Helba, our Denta Cantamanso, from 0208 444442, 0208 444442, and 0302 902 071, 0302 902 071. Now, Faye, what pain, Droni Bina. Also want to one hashtag where your London. Makacho say a few boy be able to assassin. A patch will need a Hong Kong there will still service Canada to assassin. And your Friday be not just a walk tables and bottles church or papa and to another there. Me patcho. I was so Timmy Kipisica. Now Timmy to assassin. Bema dear. Obey Gagaya. Not just a watch less a massage that me walk pro to be there for acres be the now what I say so to me yes she got crowd that's as yes she now boy I would yes she the info I assassin me patch off 0553 044069 0553 044069 now for what pass CDB now so what you do say in fact all your back crowd with me to be honest and then first over say me na matter as you boy no grow back row be steady because we who's a responsible lady because we marriage material onya ya no be na medidi na commodity na transfer na den na mo money pandwom ho atopa yin sisi wa na dwen se oni nkofo bebrebe ya ka onye hu hwe wa talk credit ato wa send momo ya atopa hin ya wo ma omobo mpa se 11 yan jitu because ya jitu ma ni sika nyi abesa transactions akwa ni je wo krom ha no ni ma mi ti o so onkoto asase wo obu krom wo akokwa so onkoto asase wo wasansu free of once anamebwa takrase ofi takrase free akokwa so ho nya onto asase enso ti kroma sane sika mama o ma me da wase pa o se ne bo ba to so onkoto ne ma me da na se pa za to pa hin ne busia fo nya da na se Unique Diploma College Awachimoda me pacho ye offer 6 months to 1 year UK professional diploma are equivalent to HND. Айтino se opese wunya diploma in accounting and finance. Mr. Obra Unique Diploma College. Yabama diploma in human resource management, diploma in marketing and advertising, diploma in customer service, diploma in project management, diploma in business marketing and administration. And now for what by Unique Diploma College, you watch more than Chroma here. May have home boka and kokumasi and crank for you attack rally. I check more than Chroma ya veteran issue and diploma certificate over to media call. University of your choice be our level 200 or level 300. HND in just 6 months with 4 diploma certificates. National service is assured after completion. And now for so your certificate is recognized in the whole world. ATM scholarship is 50% scholarship for first 50 students. Before 28th February. Sebeche se bosum webe ende no me pacho tutumikana brazil here na benya 50% scholarship and say school fees just imagine say 500 cedis over 250 1000 over 500 250 so wa check hwe eti umpewe na pade me pacho tutumika brazil here fees this so dey the border form pa your collections your regular even weekend and often your hostel facilities are that form nebo for pa o pesa wo show wasi and last of deck in social so na waba Unique College. We shall admit you in SHS3 and offer you 1 year intensive classes to write both WASI and remedials in the following courses: general arts, business, visual arts and home economics, agric and offers general science. Fees no are very moderate with boarding and hostel facilities. At Opesewunya 8 A's. Now tro of there can be 100% passing rating. Always assured with free computer classes, free biometric registration for November, December. Remedial students. Now with different no fair no. Yes, sir, and find A. Mako 8 and then your friend on 8 A's umpe na pede me pa cho ya watchem oda Kwame no we go filling station Freyen was 0540 779363 for any further enquiries 0540 779363 ebe pa and if I could trim now for your breaking bra ODI Electronics boy there they be a because me call them now them when you fa me jagra wa sha kra men transit boy there was so team out them your guy you cut TV fridge or ya say boy they at least so number srawa so team hu bibia ura kitchen so team ye aduane ma no ti say gas cooker blender kettles washing machines yeah me pa choy ODI Electronics. Our prices are very affordable, and you can also pay them in installments and pick the item after payment. And it's a TV now, Mr. Ahenkan FM premises here. Also ODI Electronics in Penifoni. No better translating come on. Say be a TV, fridge, deep freezer, maybe a kettles, washing machine in our pa. Near Cannibal Joe, now we're trying to stop it. When you're cherry, over more white table, so that coffee, no one the other form pa. And in a brachim, Abu Krumha, Nasha Ahenkan FM, the who front desk, Okoto, Kolakato and Fuse, Ubehuna, Obetima so to us. About of 0550 900 600 0550 900 600. Mami coming home, bra. Bekoba, now for your property, 9 support the amount 93.3 FM. If my brand to part the perfect gentleman, my boss is ya.
Awofo me wo good news be at the mamo. So when him say Ahenkan no na say wo ba private nursing school a wo yam show say ebia na wonya adwuma ni Ghana ban adarumanti sade no atwem eno nti say wo pese wo ba be dachi nurse ni kese pande a ene me kanfo be mass college at the amount esuku fees at the form boko eye courses be to say BSc nursing, diploma in registered midwifery, diploma in registered general nursing, diploma in medical laboratory technology, certificate in family healthcare, near a chat worker, a certificate in professional IT, bra, na show computer software and hardware, and a camera installation, admission, ewo homa woma, when 6 passes, ewo wasi in Soshemu, the mass college were affordable and moderate hostel, Emma woman will free a tree eba, there was spacious lecture halls and a library. Now when him, students be our who coin say waji loan, mature student trust loan, which organa card, and ti pay na opede. The mass college were Aguna Swedru, near Ben Swedru School of Business. For more enquiries, contact our email on info@bimascollegegh.com or visit our website www.bimascollegegh.com. Over to me, Freyen, it was 0551 528 154 0546 264 129 and now 0332 095 776. Bimas College, Yateti Adachi and Nurse for Papa.
Anobitas here, Drobi, and Mississippi, and me, yea, and so me no anobitas no. Abuame,
I don't know Manumbi. Mamma twas in Tinimuna and I me. I can a banner which is shimmy, said in Yamia Domina again.
Madrono Abuame Papa, na Meneme Compoma, and drew 1 minute Namwamba, Menum 1 bottle, to say me near that, better 10 minutes to Madrono de Ayapa, San Fabra more.
We did the Amesa, your child nobites, Econom and Castle, Abuame Pa, Namisisi, Nayami Yan and Bertonomia, and Wamenomoya, a copy Bia, Cocamakama, the same team, boy, Jumaye.
Your friend, Abdul Jalil Shaibu. Naname or how Bia, send me name a year, Ishiamua, Sia, Name, as enemy. And Mammy Tumbrika. Toby, Menomano, Yareno, Ako.
I shall not be tested in the air, as it is here, so me now, or may Catherine will be on the man of it, say, may a papa, a big one, and a yard in your own. I
know her bad bitters, and I know her bad capsules. And where you go to be a Tony me and a bomb, Ubanya Biato, Atimoda, or Chiniba, Drasto, and a Ghana, Drasto Bia, her bashop Bia, Ubanya be ato. No bitters, no bitters.
Something you've never experienced before is about to happen. Yes, I came on down. Are you ready? Marvel City Entertainment and Marvel City Band present Marvel Fest 2022, the pre-Valentine edition. Good music, they say, feeds the soul. A night to show love and enjoy good live band music made in Akemoda. Yes, I mean live band music. So come, let's party together at A2 Pub. Always with the king of high life music in order, Echo Marvel. Also performing live, Joey Popkin, Kwame Nkansa, Roy X Taylor, Coke Che, Dasibeba Kwame, and Sean Sticker. It's happening on 12 February 2022. 15 cool CDs for single and 20 CDs for double. Just look nice with a touch of red. Tickets available at Ahenkan FM, Achimasa FM, Ophir FM, A2 Pub, or call 0553 379187 for ticket delivery. Come and let's have good time together. Live band music made in Akemoda.
Hey, we're here, go. And now, Michelle Madame for Tilapia, no kita DB your call. I say to Copo remote. Maybe son or say your phone.
Wait, your phone. Brapa. Golden phones, your promotion at the Tinioma so abode. Now will you swear to Copo remote? Golden phones at the promotion sales. Brought from now going. And only the only shop open your quality phones and accessories. Our Ghana. Anti-Tremicana Kwaju Techno, Infinix, Huawei, Itel, Samsung, LG, Nokia, iPhone, SQ. Any phone be out here at low price. Me say low price. We have memory card, pen drive, power charger, power bank, quality inbuilt battery, MP3 player, Bluetooth handset, accessory by now here, and one golden phones. Promotional promotion. Yeah, this will say who golden phones. They be a Fidelity Smart account amount for depositing and withdrawal. Was for super golden phones. So Bronsana water credit magazine station. Chihona, Chasrope, Akimo Danso, Moa Kona na Dynamo, Joli Betty, Mandarina Road, Chifu Praso, so more pusha bar, and Yankuma Sahin Crow, and Asiando, Sikebia Ukranubenya smartphone, our golden phones, press 0244 529 934, and 0209 208 866. Golden phones, will send IFA.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Abama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense Wabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the Duanwa, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Donua dance yes, and Yarwa who Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. Now Yamwa suing no, a boy who buying every home. And now Pa, Omuanya Dada, no monum doctor in Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form fresh 0246 20 8496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway FDA, Asayasi.
Mido, asa na di fia ehrampao.
Ha, eya ban 20 ena ma efia ehwehwe no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eya JA Binding and Co Limited. Ena wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Nyoma bi te se dan na wo ho.
Banzo ne na nsan kwada nyoma ni ate se wan. Eya parazo enu na me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afro. Na dia ba de na ahura potobidi isi
eya akasha no na me de atu apopo bibre nyina ase no bia papa pata susu nyina eso atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Binding snake reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedema wa horo won sai uhu ana ai enu aso na me de wo horo ncha si mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan fa no mo wo
ban womunioma no ubenya biato wakuma setakura de tamale ho sunyane nkokọ wabuase bonga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo panido so pomatoa ubenya bi ewo kasoa Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
mame number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
medofo na nso mudi ni body say
JA Binding and Co Limited.
Me drew ho sesia.
Hele banjo. Why go? Masa, St. Andrews asembubu wayek machine biomo. Afie we die eye buta
7A's 6A's and 5A's no abruso
enti sesei sa wo beto forms e wo St. Andrews SHS a the results ni bi na hwansa
afie we ye the 999 candidates and a quatrain emu 997 and a qualify ye ko university
wow we die e buru adwen ene ntiase so
eno nti se wo school bi akofeli poto
e mane hawo kra
for any St. Andrews SHS. Say St. Andrews Ebi Akwenya ama omo form 3.
Enti ma wonye ha na be
foul forms natural wasi May June exams no bi afia ebe
enti masa akwanya we mpa ho fisa me hu yanka na ka echi
enti fresisia na jo SHS3 admission forms
0244696911 ana 0207891004 St Andrews SHS.
We are always
in the league.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
you to bloom bloom. When we done, we go home and boom boom. Hop on the wagon, baby say vroom vroom. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka pose, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka pose, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka pose, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka pose, make a see, take a picture.
When you see me for party, you still dey form. See, I know you feel me, baby, oh. But when you see me coming down, you dey turn your back. Make you know they try me, boy, oh. I got the feeling for you. Me, I know be stubborn, me, I know be careful. I want to show you sweet love. Me, I wanna dance, yeah. Although you will make a dance with you. Oh, yeah. I wanna dance, yeah. Although you will make a dance with you. Dance with you. See,
Yo, how your body hot to me for summer. Mama chance, now me now come on. Everybody want chop city be full of piranhas. Ready to commit, baby, do me what you wanna. Never lost. Things for you, I swear never lost. Your ex still likes you, rare have a loss. Me for thrust, give me make a bust, make a feather cost lights off. Me feeling how you're moving lately. She did try claim streets for your
Mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Me, I wanna dance, yeah. Although you will make a dance with you. Oh, yeah. I wanna dance, yeah. Although you will make a dance with you. Dance with you.
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Friscalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
Tell me your favorite song, I'll play. Girl, let me be your key promise, oh yeah. And I could be your rap doctor, make you feel okay. So I say, dance for me, girl, let me see your body shake. Me, I no lie, after you, nobody pay. I go save for the bank, only for your body sake, oh yeah. See me see, dance for me, girl, let me see your body shake. Me, I no lie, after you, nobody pay. I go save for the bank, only for your body sake, oh yeah. You see, me, I wanna dance. I wanna dance with you. Although you won't make a dance with you.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Friscalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Gonna be with you.
But you know they got enough time for me.
I wanna be with you.
I got it easy.
Shoo! Guy, you never know, say congrats, man, them suffer to find your love. Guy, you never know, say congrats, man, them suffer. Alright, so my favorite jam right about now, 93.3 of coming over with Sugar Cane. And this happens to be my favorite jam. Just shout to all my big brothers. All my niggas number.
Taking it a break, I me, I know the rush, baby.
No me, catch a woman, miss a wood on me. Zulu, follow. If you I go follow, Dolo. If you like Doro Bucci, follow. And of course, beautiful music they say fits the soul. So come here on 93.3 of Sugar Cane. In fact, a big shout out to all the loving girls out there. we actually want to be with you, you know what I'm saying? And of course, some of us, our love is so sweet and it's sweeter than sugar cane. Like, you know, some sobolo juice mixed with a little flavor than 10. You never do say, Conga, so man, them suffer to find your love. Alright, so I thought you earlier, I will be telling you about some tips, you know, for having a healthy and happy Valentine's Day, and also some tips for loving yourselves. Alright, it wouldn't say we are in the month of love. And of course, Valentine's Day is a celebration of love, but it can also be a source of stress. Do you know that? Right, so if you are in a relationship, you may feel pressured to pick out the perfect present for your partner. And if you are single, you may feel alone, you know, wishing you had someone to spend the holiday with. As much as you may like to, you know, sometimes it's practically impossible to ignore Valentine's Day because everywhere you turn, there are some heat-shaped cake, cars, you know, boxes of chocolates, reminding you that February 14th is just around the corner. Alright, so this year, why not embrace the holiday with turning your attention inward and being your own Valentine? By practicing self-care, you can have a happy, healthy holiday regardless of your relationship status. Right, so here are some tips on how to take care for your mental health on this Valentine. So let me share with you some one or two tips, you know, about what me the Valentine. Just take care of yourself, you know what I'm saying? Right, so buy your own flowers. You don't have to wait for someone else to send you flowers. You have to buy your own flowers. So tip number 1, buy your own flower. Buy your own. You see, Okota. Now here, it smells good. Don't wait for that guy to get you a flower. Don't wait for the girl to get you a flower. Nah, get yourself a flower. So point number 2, sleep late. Sleep very late. Right, so turn the alarm off and don't feel guilty about the extra hours your body needs. Nah, not at all. I mean, it's Val's Day. So don't worry about the extra hours your body needs. Just sleep late. Just off the alarm. Go to bed very late. And point number 3, spend time with your friends. Spend time with your friends. Right, so often we are busy, and you know, sometimes you need that friend time, you know, to sort yourself out. So on Val's Day, listen, if your girlfriend won't take you out, or if your boyfriend won't take you out, go out with your friends. Yeah, just go out with them. Just go have time. Sometimes so I am boys section I in here. So when you call her and then she's giving you all the excuses in this world, she's sick, she's not feeling well, she want to be alone, she want to do this, she want to do A, B. I mean, just dog, you know. Now my person come to Saturday in Bataba. Find time with your friends, go out with your boys. Charlie, bottles and tables, you know what I'm saying? Now I feel no man kitty. So my point number 4, stop negative self-talk. And Charlie, some will be in the pay, some will be a cheerful. So last year Val's Day, my friend be then call me, man. I said, "Me can copy the listen." My guy then call me, man. He call you and say, "And you me do be pure, you know." I say, on my count what and everyone say pre-talk. They talk that thing already. You know, yeah, they let you know. She know say my mom is I be Val's Day, so obviously the guy for can't take her out nothing. You know, 40 if you do no. A day ask where he call me say, yo, you be pee, and I'm say, yeah, most definitely Charlie. I say pee near. Then the landlady too no day, so me na for do my things, you know, what I say, I for sort my body. Okay, Sana somebody else go take and go. Obia di can check up, and a boy say, over the corner, I say, oh, bro, that negative talk, no. Catch on to me, Frank, oh yeah, what that? Wada. Oh yeah, fan go baby. Wada. Oh masa. Is he sometimes I don't hear na for papa to send me. Onya dan for papa to send me be bo apa. Obi aka catch us all the corner. Me catch us on call wada. Since we have come up top from kakra. But meanwhile, we all know say the thing that somebody else can't take go. But they will say, what has a woman some sort of positive energy be obi an fan ko wada. Hey, to people just stop with negative self-talk. If you wouldn't say it to someone else, don't say it to you. No. On point number 5, meditate. So won't be answer over share them. This is a great way to release stress and clear your mind. And to say be your own person you want to be alone in your room, or you want to be alone somewhere on a park or something, somewhere else. You need to meditate because a very great way to release stress and also clear your mind. My last point. Oh, okay. So a point. Let me do this one first. So unplug yourself sometime away from your phone, tablet, or computer. Very necessary. Unim. Ebi ano bi am for 1 PA. Easy over online. Probably ube call WhatsApp, we can for start. Ube call IG. Ube who say you didn't for PAs. You'll be worried. Sometimes ebi krana the sample from so if you cheat the it's better just stay in your room and off your data only if you can. But I think off your data, off your computer, and just be on your bed, meditate. Normal be home 1 2 1 2 1 2. Yeah. And my last point: love yourself. Right. So above all, treat yourself the way you would want others to treat you on Valentine, with kindness, respect, and love. Engage in positive self-talk. Praise yourself for a job well done. Forgive yourself for mistake and express hope and optimism for your future. And if you want to go ahead and buy yourself some flowers, just do. Some candies, some toffees, some chocolates. Just do. Be in your room. Get yourself some champagne, a clean glass. Cheer yourself up. Of the way cry on the left, no cry on the right. Fabom cheers, pa. No more there. Simple. No be any problem. Hey, where tips kakra with the amount to treat yourself on a Vows Day. Man, worry cry. If they are saying they will take you out, don't worry. Me pa jomo sama ma adwen se mo wetwen kofo de afemu no. Yakopon hwe mo pa. God will punish you all in advance. Mama, I just say, we go for the before. The show of a new simony idea. I want somebody go for the before. Copy praise when you had go for the before. When you God will punish them in advance. Alright, so this is some tips to take care of yourself during this month of love. Right, so in boost help by make sure police in the drawer obia nim say sa na your friend no sans your immune booster be boost the immune system na wonya ho dey so nkopa my sister we tell me samre na say ya rate it o we tell me say immune system na ye weak ahoden afiri mu na ko police in the drawer ni bi o ko drugstore bi anya na baby abebure bia no obenya bia ta che modan kroma de hu hia se mebodi baby abebure bia obenya police ni edoni bi na afi wotimi atona abo awon so me pa cho friend pen for 0246 208496 and 0540710113 na afi wa pe bi ato abebo apa 0246 208496 0540710113 Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise. Makacho say books the obeto a. I just say we call Bloom's Bookshop or hold near Tom Books papa. No one so that form. And now boarding bi asa. Ko hono na fe ko Tom Books come up from crèche to the tertiary institution level. Well boy. Now wetimi ase we sika kakra e da ye other things. Okoya no mo nchen the bold tree. Wetimi se we sika. Afi wo school. Open books ni bia begu school bookshop akwenya da ho. Onso bia wo be store. Open books abegu maton akwenya so wo ho sa de ma o because e wholesale and refill. Eti bra abeto books ni bi kogu shop na so ton nya mfa so bebre. Ye wa chimoda supermarket opposite Ghana Commercial Bank. Frame 0244293632 and 0203083031. Boakwa Herbal Clinic. Boakwa Herbal Clinic. Right, so Boakwa wa achim odan bungalow. Boakwa Herbal Clinic wa achim odan bungalow. Eja boati fio ha. Na eye clinic from kokra ba. Memban Helba in drone ade dia. Omaji ataso. Osomubo ndru omubo adwuma ba. Omo no maye boakwa you mixture. Omo no maye boakwa tea mixture. Mispin Helba tea. Omo amodra. Enti uko drugstore be asa uko hu bia no hu se boakwa fo. Amanda Roma. Omo achimodan krom ha ya. In fact, Dr. Ofori owo experience pa. Enti no o sawo yare a enya yare a ekwa aba ena nya sikanti na obebi e clinic yi na mom nipa ho adwen na nipa ho fa ho die ezi obebi e yebo akwa Herbal Clinic wa chemoda bungalow ahojo junction ja bo atin fie ha enti sawo yare nya typhoid, malaria, diabetes, infertility, sexual weakness, skin rashes na wo trimika e de akọ hosise ya na wa sawo yare okwa chemoda main station as a lorry park wa osi opeka eko bungalow ahojo anasa rapsen car edo beko unye drupe osi ubesi wa ahojo junction yewo ye Emerald yewo mo junction so pen Maxi Baba Saloon junction so pen na be huyen fe 0240226924 0240226924 na 0248503189 0248503189. Boakwa Herbal Clinic. Ose bra na wonto yare ase. Ahenkan sounds. Program bi a we bia. Se wo pon ho oto badi we engagement. I fro people. Me ba cho be hia sounds a. Be boy ye di amount. Sounds Ahenkan say base article, titus article, we article. Any day Joja, more than one. Watch check it. I ain't kind of famous be sounds there. Who's the intro fee? About your friend 054333. Sorry, 0543-350934. 0543-350934 and 0542-741651. Right, some catch you saying you beji edi me wa. And to say what to stop. Adia wo ton bia no je number ni biem. 0554820910. And a Vodafone 0201944485. Now but three memo afre, me fresh ya. Je number ni biem 0554820910. Obeji udi, obe chebe baby I was shop no. Do I have that kakra di amount? Any plans to hear scan adia. Adia sent Judy. Maybe I will share be no be Judy. Judy say oh store provision store say we ton hio say we ton atadio then out 0554820910 and 0201944485 and okay I'm to number no money me pa cho trotto tinye bia na chese wo frɛ 0554 820-910 0554-820-910 AMTN Vodafone 0201-944-485 0201-944-485 Eti enyom kakra na yaba na ofa ye bie tum dia ma
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Swaggy, me, yeah, TV,
so betty. Odo pepper me dini hona me say beje. Ti wunti se mini ni leggings and jeggings like I just say from the family so me home it. You could run a drum one never come she. I want them so better me why she. Now me ex girl be number rest in the dreams and me friend in Papo no me come she. Go Facebook, go share, girl see, so share. Yes my promise say what can be booby. Toye, yeah me put na be copy, yeah me do for no more pet. Fresh boy post. Jackie a piam punya obeche. Feel ya jai chiches. Dogging up for way no more yeah witches. Checking what's up, now me cow tickets. Breath yeah misses, now me try me kisses. Mwah. My shit. My shit. I want to say my shit. My shit. My shit. I want to say my shit. I'm a children, me from Mensia. What's that so him at your Jimensia? But you see, you'll be so Mensia. It's a breathy bedroom, Michelle Mensia. We don't be and yes, Sophia. What time second tanker, and then you'll be here. Let you be so bad, I be a witch. And you will say a moo, yes, a say that chia. Ya will have you, you can go. You so trim my son will be trim my mule. You said, Ben memory won't may anymore. One of me petty brand, I bet you. I didn't money baba, if you're back.
The Mid-Morning Show, the Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Forget the boys. I'm when you bow. No, I can cry me fool no chrome. Yes, it down. Hey, very good at Biba. I am rocking you Adidas. You be celebrity, you the make us sisters. Used to be a player, but she's such a.
All right, so 41 after 11. Yanji dinga kra. But me kai was be part of team ye pa. Yes, tonkente. Me ma ton ade me so me tonkente. It is open kente papa. They are not ones with that phone, but every can't have between their engagement, between with their compound, who be waiting with their pound. What is it? Waiting a pump seat, come up, punch it. If you can't person talk or show be cry. On my man number been a phrase here. As open can tip up papa, and yeah, hidden money at the idea. The number in a phrase 0542741651 0542741651. Can tip up papa, and yeah, we would the enemy. Now, so man, Homana 10, I just easy near the house. Can tip up papa 054271 0542741651 0542741651. But once Andra me catch you say pray vows day show be about so on. So it's all about Marvel City Entertainment and the Marvel City Band present Marvel Fest 2020. A pre-Valentine edition. And it's a call Marvel. And show about so Yankupon Adwuma 12 February. And we are at Chemodan always pop Honoma. A2 Pub, always, and so also performing live at the Comavo, Joey Popkin, that's Breba Kwame, Kwame Kansan, Roy Estela, Coach, and a Shan Sticker. And Chinanko Poyadoma, 12 February. Maybe I thought National Museum say 15 cities, on 15 cities, and 20, any Pamino. Open tickets, Nibia to Ahenkan FM here, or Babina tickets, Nibia to. And it's a 1 hour Kwame Pacho, Sika between 15 cities. Number 10 on her live music and Yanin Sunny idea now. And I'm waiting for me and news why 20 cool Ghana cities at that form. And I say, at Miss Rob Brian Kaya from Tessian Pepper Forms Nibinato. The performs Nibitos is here. Right after Yanji Dimba Kumi and Numi and Sabina Fay. Yeah, sorry, fish in the coffee. You know, I go Pedro Bino Nadia. I'm gonna take care of you. You know, well, so this one says, good morning, champion Costi. Speedy recovery, why? Special happy birthday to my living legend, Dr. Sir Kwame Despite. I said the phone in any back up here. Machima Sene at that dear streets. I said the phone in the New Year guy. I say, super guy. This one says, hi, Cosmos, how are you doing? I sell plastic chairs, table, ice chairs, drums, what combine? Hey, umbrella, dustbin, baskets, so stools and tin. You see, okay, I think I've read this one again. I'll say, other markets at Buggerfish store building. Okay. Okay, we watch all betting your friend. And what on the anyway? Yendiga, what on when he found 0554 820910 0554 820910 and 0201944485. A number also betting me afraid. Yendiga near the idea. I'm proper chima. Or shop on the Shahin. What on the and I would see Ahenkan 93.3 of them. Mammy, who she said 0554 820 I'm born to be 0554 820 okay. Now for what you to near the idea. Now for Mammy check the answer. Okay, yes, I deal with her. I can't you. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, Udem, Judy.
Hello?
Meto can you for saying?
Hello?
Shall we check mommy? Check mommy because we are be feeling as sorry, wait till my friend because I think about I'm sure. Hello?
Hello?
Hello, what's your name? All right, Judy, boss, we are for saying I'll share him. Ryan travel that phone 0201 944 But we have a mammy for you. Boss, Judy, what's your
Hello, Cobra.
Yes, boss. Mr. Obi.
Mr. Obi.
Matika Sano.
I can't be a team of viewers.
Managing the friend is on the name here.
I'll see a friend yellow.
And on the name here.
And I'm traffic light near Baba.
Now, how do you call you there, Mr. Obi? Mamma Yaro Casa.
Hello?
Boss, who want to say?
Hello, I'm
not doing what this I shall phone. Now, radio no debate at you.
Okay.
What I tell you in the pound?
I'm thirsty.
I'm fine, man. You free Hawaii.
My ticket.
I don't know. Yaro, but I say.
Okay.
Maybe I talk about one of the doers who you know over speeding. Why? Mr. Obi in the old free member, Mr. Fanning Cosby, Boko, not funny, bra. A conform one point, careful when you are born point, say, you were Mr. Obi Bomba. Careful. I am crying by your fast in the cocoa business, never say. I mean, I'm a catcher. Boss, would you do what I have?
I saw my shower.
You're frozen.
Oh, bye.
Oh, bye. Night. Night we talk as about to catch it fast. Boss. Hello? Yeah, me charge me fidie ni ending komo.
Hello.
Right, what you mean kan?
Maton kasa.
O shine for your froze eh.
Yeah, ofa na ya, sebu papa.
Ofa. Ofa na den cause wanji.
Oh, we see I boko.
Bibi ashi. Oh, meba wanchi dem ashi about one day pa.
Yo, why?
Meba pa only problem ofa. Why? Okay, me say. Boss you froze na shine. Kofi.
Yo, apostle akupe.
Kofi na wondra o me yansa ma o fi o tete mi sa.
Oh, seba mi mulano dada.
Bibi aboko. Me pon from ni ndin komo. All right, what's it? 055480910020194445 0201944485. Hey, Vodafone MTN 0554820910. Bosu, your frost and saying.
From Burkina Faso morning station.
Your frost saying.
Burkina Faso. Yes.
Mukro mona kuesi wo hono. So ya we.
Me awe pa.
Now also Casafree.
Oh, me Casafree news station.
Not oton then are your news station.
Oh, me organizer me ton ties. Me so poncha me pomp me bibia me na fita phone event.
Right. Oh, news station.
Otra news station we go Simbezi no one otra keke me ne saba opposite ni den.
News station I find Onasco coin so there no.
O the do continue so call that squad otra news station the crebi go say me the ties be to kwan na no.
Oh, okay.
Benafita phone event.
Bontai. Uni obi friend Bontai.
What's it?
I said Bontai bi wo ho baby. But then you hwe me hu baby a o che meba ho. Why?
Oh, the matete o time ajo da bra me talk from now.
Meba me kan meba ho. Why? Meba me kan etimi for ramp ba meba ho. Why? I me matan for ni ewusi se me kan for ramp. Sisi ade mi. I sabo ntremu da me na me kan so ntremu da. When I say I'm teaming for ramp. Hi. Fish. Some go see the fee. And I'm not saying teaming for ramp. Ah, fish. What you say? Your friend say, what's say? Hello? Hello, would you know your friend say, what's say? There be auntie in Fiso.
Hello?
Yeah, oh, your friend say, what's say?
Eframe Kwame Yabu, me ka se free akemashene.
Kwame Yabu. Upe bo pa.
Abu anyebo.
Oh, because I see Yabu.
Debi
Ebu mati.
Original wine ba ko pe.
Original wine mati. Now
original wine ba ko pe. Mi tu abura pa abura.
Utu abura wa asene.
Asene ebi amon lenke mame.
Mati nti so bi hwehwe wa di ba no de be hu.
Eframe Kwame Yabu asene.
Kwame Yabu utu abura wa asene ho.
Sa.
Right, Yabu mati. Hello? Hello?
Hey.
Me pacho June radio na we cheni ndin komo maso me ya me pacho pa. Oyo ba nti ensa kama oyo ba nka sama editing account. Bodi. What's it? Salo, anamai. Eunice.
Hey.
Ba unza onya de won try gra.
Anamai de.
How you show me?
Who na won hwehwe me.
Me mo wana umu.
Umu ma so ni me dey hide and seek.
Say there be e kan say o test the FDS ba me hu da. Until at least so team me hu kakra na.
Oba oda market obe hu me.
Martin then na we oda market.
Me ton plastic chairs ne drum na me kan ya banyo yi. Adom roba na ekonsu ogumu no.
Okay. And adem bim.
Na chinye rubbers ni ya ton ya dia mugum ne toilet brush. Ewo
down market.
Burger fish be ga big sam one down ha.
Burger fish. And no one here side.
Only be ga big sam store.
Wait, all dedication ho. Okay. Meba ha ba ji chinye wa na se nso betoto. Wa nti ba ji chinye.
So betumi ekura nkwan de.
Ade wo ba fa ni ya da mama na.
MTN de ni de transfer no.
Oh, only problem. So to me chance here. Meba ho. Why? Remember, Joe, Juba Fideni and Incomo. Yes, boss, Juba Fideni and Incomo. Bibia did nice. Okay, Metonka, boss, who are frozen, I say. Hello?
Hello, question.
Yes, boss, you're frozen, I say.
You're from Nanaminta.
Me patron, I say.
What come in?
Yeah. Yeah, you told just now, I got some adverts in the mouth. Right, it's a bush. Yeah, the whole came down, open the port here in kind from Pan. We need to do a company junction, lenders opposite, or tonton home use, TV, radio, car telpo, just be beer. You are also twice, mommy. Thank you. Why be beer? The water. Who probably would say Ahenkan fire? You shall won't have a channel. The water. Who probably would say Ahenkan fire? What's me post on one locker store? No, still came out and say Ahenkan. I just say, yeah, driver for some car tape. I say, I'm on quite coming in Johnson. Yeah, you wanna at the point could do my friend about whether Bemel food head. What don't me out when you feel ground, didn't you? Maybe I saw your frozen, I say. Oh, I tell to one. Okay, young fan. Your frozen, I say. Hello? But on the most serious notes, come here, me out when you feel ground. Sorry for me. Oh, sorry for me, I'm here. Who's that my point? Lies now behind you, my baby. I didn't know. Bakwaba. Yafa. What do you mean? At the point, I have a chance. I was your bed, Chinch, Maria, and answers, and what's in Kanye. Means also what you mean?
Oh, Meton Kappa.
At the papi, people, what you mean?
But you're booking a vein as I have you.
Booking a Mametonga.
Baby, I'm missing a shop on an idea where to be sure. I say, oh, you're Kurajai. So get a jaw crown of the duation on one of the throw. Hey,
Bokina Bay.
Idea watches.
Bokina Bay, I don't watch in the day and the Shema Gay.
Idea watch what the over betting is. The whole new station here now, baby, are booking a big organizing shop on one. I'm very watching Bisha. So again, I jaw cry over 2 nights do it in the again. I got another side throw. And you change your video, you know, Tia Mazi. Hello? Yes, boss. We are last call. I am Fabi. Mamintonka. MP. I don't talk. I don't know. We said I'm free. We got some talk. Oh, yeah. We also gave you. Oh, yeah. We said be okay. That's me. Me catch you.
Not down. The machines now go on. Whether I have me out that amount, but the machines not here. Tell me, because the machine you all check the but you say, would Sanka. I might see how many I get there too. That's how I come again.
Hey, Uber won't tell me. You was also and conform you are what is some who was as I live in the Gumu. Well, as I get by the Gumu, business out of mine. Start to find here when I say, Yali in the Gunu. Yali and Timmy Kunida, or Papa and the Bukunu. I'll be seeing Fabian by a banner by a family last summer. We about to meet you.
Hello.
Yes, dear.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm better.
Nakupandum, me what thing pa.
Salome,
yeah, me Salome. Right. Salome, ada o Tom madam shop nana.
And I bet you.
What on they?
Me Tom kind of saying chance.
Na one kasa ubeji den we ase. Ene we hairdressing. O china wo pama de. After that was out on chance.
Dey bia na ebe bem bia na mai.
Ube den pa o we ase.
Oh, ni nyina bi o we bia so me wura be bia.
Oh, ati woni edin sana eba de woni edin na. Internet on den chance.
Me ton chance. Na ye na me bi o.
Yeah, also baby, why me you know, and they come a black.
Oh, papa, events.
Minana.
Sorry, ona.
Minana.
Bologna on.
Aye.
And I was ever a folk but
didn't go boy, bye. Right, maybe I told me to see Nako point out, Memenda, my grandfather a year watching more than sports to do my friend, Mr. Jacob Belogno, I watch more than sports to do my new honor, you know, basic 5th, right? Yes, Saturday. It's in Nako point out, no jam and nothing. And I will call your drone so, me madam for Monsieur Kudofia, on also be seeing the wife that same day. Ewo hona nti Nyankopon adma yenhia eye de mpanifo se yenkoja na de nti no yenko bi na afi yenkoja ye frame jeni me champion boating cosmos me kofie frame jobro zamani abrante pa the perfect gentleman me kom mom sambrane football togbo nyumo wo twa be wo nyame gba magema